Is it here?
Yes.
Okay. You will be present about reflexivity of God and worship in Mathematics 19 on what is it? On hustle and COVID with economic, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. The time is your Mr. Raihan.
Thank you very much, moderators. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
I would like to present with title Reflexivity of God and Worship in Mathematics 19 on Haslam and COVID with Economic. My name is Raihan Muhammad Aziz from UIN Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. From the first slide about the background, the study aims to analyze the relationship between numbers 19, Islam, and science due to COVID-19, mathematics and economics. On the next slide, theory in this study explain there is a close relationship between Islam and the number 19 in mathematics related to COVID-19 and the economy. The methodology uses descriptive analysis theory. The methodology uses the Haslam approach and reflexivity analysis. The number 19, it is also stored in the age method 472319. In God's sight is reward or worships. In number 19, it is revealed that the origins before the universe existed was God and then worships. The number 19 appears in the Quran and the term virus is COVID-19. The source of 19 is Azariyat 51 ayat 56 wa ma khalaqtul jinna wal insa illa liya'budun. And not I made jinn and human except for ibadah. But in this slide, we can see the sequence of the sentence. The first is the God, and then the second is the human, and the third is ibadah. Because of the word, there is a negation, not and except. So we can say after God, then directly to ibadah. The sequence is God, the first ibadah. We can see on the circles, God to create human, and then worship to God. Because of the word of not and except, so the sequence is the worship or ibadah from creation that created by God to the do it by a human. So we can see there is a group of God and worship in the one group, and then the other group is human. Like in the mirror. In the mirror, there is a mirror itself as a God, and then shadows. Also in the mirror in one group, and the other group is the people. We can see the proof of these numbers 1 and 9. We can see on the Al-Muzammil 74 ayat 30, alaiha tis'ah asyar. Above is the number 19. All we can see in our hand, there is a 4 fingers and thumb as a 1 and 9. Also on the 7th prime number, there is a number 19. And in the hearts, we can see the number 1 as a sa'i, and the number 9 as a tawaf or Ka'bah. And now also we can see the COVID-19. On the next slide, the derivations of the 19, where the 1 as a God and the 9 as a ibadah. Where come from the 9 as a ibadah? From the salat. 2 rakaat is salat subuh, and then 3 rakaat as Salat Maghrib, and 4 rakaat is Salat Zuhur, Asar, Isya. Then 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 9. So God made ibadah first from these numbers, not human. Because human is created after ibadah. So the sequence is God and then ibadah. We can see on the next slide reflexivity in the mirror. We can see the group of the mirror. There is two variables independence. God as a mirror itself and the shadows. The shadows we can say as a number 9 and the God as a number 1. The other group as a woman in front of the mirror as a human. So there is two groups. The first group is a God and the ibadah. Ibadah, we call it source or 9. This is the more directly the explanations of 1 and 9. We can see the designs of the creations. We call it some things like pattern or fundamentals or draw. Then in the middle, we say as a projectors. If the designs of the file of the designs put into the projectors, and then the projectors will show the draw or the pictures of the designs in the files. It means that if the middle as a God, then the God will make a creation from the designs of the number 9, of the design of Salat. Or we can say that if there is an architect in the middle, architect has the designs on the life, and then he builds a house. Then the house will be as the same with the design that created by the architect. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, bahwa desain dari arsitek adalah dasar bagi penciptaan rumah. Sehingga Tuhan pasti punya desain penciptaan alam semesta atau manusia. Desain awal dari penciptaan alam semesta dan manusia itu adalah ibadah. What is the number 9? The number 9 is 3 plus 3 plus 3. So we can say 333. Where come from the 333? From the 14 plus 319. 7 multiplied by 2 and 319. And then we have 7, 2, 3, 1, 9 variables. Then we call it Haslam. On the last slide, conclusions. God made ibadah first, not human. Ibadah was exist first, then human. Mathematics 19 are evidence that God made ibadah first before human will be created. 9 is ibadah equals to salat, and 9 is integral of 4, 7, 2, 3, 1, 9 or Haslam. The root of ibadah is salat, and the equations of salat is Haslam. The last conclusions, the result of this study show that number 19 are symbols of God worship, which means God creates based on worship. The impact of COVID-19 has made the economy turbulence in Indonesia and globally. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Mr. Rayhan. Your presentation is very clear. You talk about reflexivity. Okay, thank you. I will read direct, and it is for the question for Mr. Royhan. Mr. Royhan, is it here? Is being here, Mr. Royhan?
Yes.
Yeah. There is a question for you from Mozir. Pertanyaan ke Pak Royhan, apa makna 19 bagi sains dan ekonomi serta kehidupan? You can answer direct about the question.
Okay, thank you.
The question is clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, moderator Ahmad Habibi.
Okay. Yeah.
I think 19 is symbols that the universe and human, including us, was created by the particularly pattern design, basic design. It calls worship or solar. For economics, I think there is a interdisciplinary phenomenon. We have the problems here today. The problems came from health, from virus, from non-economics area. But the impact make the economics turbulence. We have GDP down to -5%. So we are today in the recessions. And when we ask for solutions, the solution is not economics, even the health itself. The solution is our religions, our iman, our salat, our religiosity. So we have three different factors in the one area in these 6 months: health and economics and religiosity. It means that there is this new approach for interdisciplinary perspective. So number 19 is the fixed phrase that always appears. 19 itu sering diucapkan, sering muncul, sering menjadi fenomena. Misalnya Bismillahirrahmanirrahim 19 huruf, tetapi tidak bisa dimaknai secara filosofi. But in these presentations, I make resume that 19 is about if we have a building, so the building would have the basic design. We are, as a human, the perfect human, but still also there is a basic design of the human, because we have the similarity with other creations like a monkey or like other animals. It means there is one and only design beside Allah. There is a salat. From the words wa ma khalaqtul jinna wal insa illa liya'budun, it can be concluded that the salat can be as a design for the fundamentals pattern, but also salat or ibadah or worships can be our goals in our life. So the 19 will make a new perspective that God God creates first as a salat. God creates salat first, then God creates human. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Royhan.